Hi guys, just want to show you my favorite knives, folding knives. This one, the Endorser. Bit me a couple of times, but love this blade. This is one of them. Of course, my own. Still need to get heat treated. Still loving my first limited edition knife. It's a low priced brand, but great knives. For some reason I really love it. Never carry it. Probably never will carry it. Maybe. This one I do carry a lot. Spring assist, but Igniter T. My Cold Steel Spartan. My first and only Cold Steel for now. That's a long time since I used this one. My Buck Headhunter. And of course the new member of the collection, my Sebenza. Carry it for a couple of times. The day I got it, yesterday or the day before that, a couple of days ago. Carried it a couple of times. Loving it so far. One of my favorite knives. One of them. Of course, my favorite is my own that I'm working on. That's third favorite knife. The other one, second favorite, my first Grail knife, the Spartan. First Grail knife I ever had. Just need to have it. This was the second Grail knife, not second, third. No. Yeah, second Grail knife, I think. Yeah. Got another one, but was the K-bar. That's right, it was a K-bar. USMC K-bar, fighting knife, fighting utility knife. But I couldn't find it anywhere in my local shops. And normally I don't buy from the internet, but got it anyway. Was a rip-off K-bar, but it's okay with me. Yeah, K-bar was just for the collection. Because it's illegal to carry fixed blades around here. At least I guess it's illegal. I don't know. Carry it anyway, so. Carry fixed blades, carry folding knives. I got a fixed blade on me right now. It's a small one, but. It's the CRKT Alaska something. Yeah, that's it. My favorite knives. Not all of them, but I love all of them. But those are my favorites. One in the case for now. Spartan, and the other one, CRKT Igniter. Got it back in the table. Sorry about that. I love all my knives. Oh, I got a question for one of you. Maybe you have heard of a guy named or Bear. It's a blacksmith from Germany, but that's all I can find about it. Got it a couple of years ago. Still don't know who he is. Not about the video, so yeah. If anyone know about it, please let me know. Thanks for watching and keep it up. Bye bye.